Good morning students. Today let us learn about prime factorization. Before that, let us review about prime number and composite number. What are prime numbers? Numbers that have only two factors, 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. Now let us see some examples. Factor of 2 are 1 and 2. Now factor of 3 are 1 and 3. Now we can see factor of 5 are 1 and 5. Like that we can see the factor of 7 are 1 and 7. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 which have only two factors 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. Now what are composite numbers? Numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, more than 2. More than two factors. Examples are, let us take factors of 4. 1 is the factor of 4. Then 2 is also the factor of 4. Then number itself is the factor of 4. Now this 4 is having more than two factors. Now next example. 8 is having 1. 2 is also the factor of 8, 4 and 8. This number is also having more than two factors. Means the numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Now what about 1? 1 is neither prime number or composite number because it has only one factor. So 1 is called unique number because it has only one factor. Now what is prime factorization? When a number is expressed as a product of its prime factors, it is called prime factorization. Now finding the prime factors, there are two methods. One, factor tree method. Another is division method. Now let us start with the factor tree method. Now we'll find out the prime factors of 32 by factor tree methods. Now first of all, we have to write the two factors of 32. That means 8 and 4. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So 8 and 4 are the factors of 32. Now we have to continue the factors until all the factors should be prime. So 8 is a composite number. So again we will factorize that the factors of 8 are 4 and 2. Now here 4 is prime number. So we will not factorize it again because 1 multiplied by number itself we don't have to show in factor tree. So again 4 is there. 4 is a composite number. Again we have to take its prime factors, that 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So 2 and this 2 are prime numbers. Now again we have to take the factors of 4, that is 2 and 2. Now all the numbers which we ring are the prime factors of 32. So when we multiply all these prime factors, we get the product 32. Now another example, 45. Now make the factor tree of 45. Now the factors of 45, 9 multiplied by 5. Now students, here 5 is a prime number, so we don't have to take the factors of 5 because 1 multiplied by 5 do not show on factor tree. Now 9 is a composite number. Now let's take the factor of this. 3 multiplied by 3. Now 3 is also a prime number. Now we have to stop here. Now we'll ring all the prime numbers. Now the prime factorization of 45, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Example, now make the factor tree of 24. 24. Now first take any two factors of 24, that is 6 4s are 24. Now 6 and 4 both are composite number, so we'll make the factor of 6, that is 3 2s are 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now we got here all the prime factors. Now we'll ring all these prime factors. Now the prime factorization of 24, 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Solution for this. Now make the factor tree method of 63. Now the factor tree, now let us take first of all the factors of 63, that is 7 9s are 63. Now 7 itself is a prime number, so 9 is a composite number. We'll take the factors of 9. 3 3s are 9. Now we'll ring all the prime factors. Now the prime factorization of 63 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by. Next solution for 81. Now make the factor tree of 81. 9 multiplied by 9, 81. Both 9 is a composite number, so takes the factor of this 9. 3 3s are 9 and this 3 3s are 9. So ring all the prime factors. Now prime factorization of 81 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3.